Hi all you Googlers! So you may have noticed when you jump into Jamboard recently, you've got this little notice that says that Jamboard is going away on October 1st. Now this is nothing new, we've known this for a little while, that Jamboard is disappearing. It still makes me sad, I still love this app, but Google had their reasons for winding it down. They did say that it'll no longer be available from the 31st of December this year, and that if you would like access to your Jamboards, you need to start exporting them now. Now they have given us 3 different migrating partners that you can use. So FigJam, Lucid, and Miro are their top 3, and we're going to go and have a look at one of them. Just so you can see how easy it is to pull your Jamboards through into. We're going to look at FigJam. So the reason I'm looking at FigJam is because Google also said on the 16th of April that FigJam Whiteboard app is going to be directly able to be used outside of Google Meet, using some of their actual physical boards. So I thought this would be a good one to look at. So when you do log into FigJam, once you're actually in your design space, you will notice this import button. It's as simple as that. You hit import, you go into your drive, and you'll be able to pull open your Jamboards from there, and they will then convert into a FigJam file. So really easily. FigJam obviously is going to be the new Jamboard for many of us, and had they not decided to get rid of Jamboard, I don't think I would have delved as heavily into this app, which is actually pretty cool. So we've got all our drawing tools, we've got our sticky notes, our shapes, there's a whole heap of cool stuff. I can input a table, there's some stamp stuff in here, there's a whole heap of real fun stuff. Definitely worthwhile having a good play in here as well. So if you are like me and looking for an alternative to the Jamboard experience, make sure that you check out FigJam.